another food review today. We're doing donuts again today. This is Jolly Donut in Sandusky. I've been here a few times. I've been there to eat once. They have food as well, but I did just want to check out the donuts for today. And I am recording this on the 4th of July, so it was pretty busy, being a holiday weekend and all. So they didn't have a lot, but this is going to be part one, and then I am going to do a part two eventually and do the rest of their menu and probably get some food as well. But yeah, we're just doing a couple donuts today. It's probably going to be a little bit of a shorter video than normal. Yeah, so we got 4 different kinds of donuts. One of them looks like maple glazed, one of them's like vanilla glazed, and then there's a vanilla cake donut and then a vanilla yeast donut, and then there's 2 different kinds of strawberries. One of them has just strawberry glaze and then one of them has sprinkles. So again, not a lot of donuts. It's going to be a little shorter of a video, but yeah, this was all I could get done today. Here's the maple donut, I think it is. And then this looks like a strawberry frosted kind of donut. And then there's a vanilla cake donut and a vanilla yeast donut. And then there is another strawberry glaze, but it also has sprinkles, this one does. Alright, and that was all the donuts we got, so now we can try them. I do have a knife to help me out with this. And I'm probably going to get started just on the vanilla, I think. I obviously don't normally use a fork or a knife to eat a donut, but just for this video it'll make it a little bit easier to clean up. Alright, we're trying the vanilla yeast frosted donut. I like that. The dough is pretty good. The frosting is definitely better though. It would be pretty bad just plain. It's not like dry or anything. I think it's just a little dense, but yeah, the vanilla frosting definitely helps it out a lot. I'm gonna give that a 70 overall. It's a pretty good start. And then I'm gonna go for this is the cake donut, the vanilla glazed cake donut. Alright, let's give this a try. I actually like the cake donut a little bit more than the yeast donut for the vanilla frosted. I'm probably going to give that, I'd say I'd give that probably a 78. It tasted like it had cinnamon or maybe some other kind of flavor in the dough, so it just kind of helped the flavor a little bit. And now I will try, this is a this is another yeast donut. This is a strawberry frosted. Alright, strawberry frosted. Let's try this one. This one's okay. The strawberry flavor in the icing kind of tastes a little fake. I'm not totally sure if that's true or not, but the donut itself was decent. It's pretty much the same as like the other yeast donut was, but yeah, the strawberry flavor just was not amazing. I'll probably give that about a 66 probably. It wasn't terrible. But now I feel like we should go over and try the sprinkles and see if that's any better, because I think it's just the same except it has sprinkles, so we'll just try this one while we're at it. Alright, strawberry with sprinkles, try this. I think it is pretty much the same as just the glazed one is, but for some reason the strawberries do help a lot. Just makes it more fun, gotta give it more points. I'll probably give that about a 73 probably. It's fair, I would say. And then last but hopefully not least, we have originally it looked like it was a glazed donut, but I think that it's maple, so we're going to give that a try now. Cut this up. Alright, let's see if this is maple or not. I think it is. Give this a shot. Yeah, that's definitely maple. That is a pretty good donut though, it's not bad. I'm sure the maple isn't, real flavor either, but it's not bad, pretty decent. I will give that a 76, I think. I do have to note also that the donuts are not really consistent. Some of them are smaller than the others, that kind of thing. But I mean, the flavor is good on most of them. they taste like they're fresh donuts. They're advertised as fresh, so I hope they are. As for the service, I did go in, so I got a little bit of service at the counter, but all the workers were nice. They were very busy, you know, it's a holiday weekend, as I said, but yeah, like I said, there definitely will be a part two to this because they have, like I said, a menu as well, like real food. And then this is really not even half of the donuts and stuff that they have. They also have different like pastries and stuff and bagels and all that. And I definitely wanted to try them out again. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and thanks for tuning in. See you next time.